My fellow Americans, it's time we united together to griddle. I believe that one of the things that unites us all, red state, blue state, whoever we are, whoever we vote for, we can agree that griddled cheese is the bomb. So let's get started. So, we're doing griddled cheese, not grilled, griddled. Ha! And I'm using ranch dressing instead of butter or mayonnaise because sometimes I like that extra zest. And actually, instead of just a griddled cheese, I got some Black Forest ham if it's still good. Oh yeah, it's still good. I haven't opened the package yet, so I know it's good. We'll get that ready to go. If I can open it. This, I believe, probably was from Trader Joe's, so that's where I get a lot of my stuff. And this is Bella Sharp White Cheddar Cheese with bacon. Doesn't that sound awesome? Yes, it does. Hopefully I can get this finished before, hopefully I can open the package before you leave me. Before I run out of propane, my tank's almost empty. I'm hoping I can get at least this one more. Doesn't it smell good? Look at that. One more griddle out of it. So let's shave some cheese. La 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 la. And I think we should taste test this just to make sure. That's good. I like it. Let's shave off some more. I had been using the sliced cheese, not pre-sliced, because you can't you can slice it though. Anyway, the sliced cheeses, but I kind of ran out of decent cheeses for y'all. I need a cheese slicer, I know it. But in the meantime, this works. What do you think? Is that enough? Okay. That should be enough. If not, we'll do more. Okay, got that. We got our bread. Let's ranch up a slice. If you haven't tried ranch, give it a try sometimes. It works just like butter or mayo, except it's got a little bit of extra zing. And we love extra zing, yes, no? Yes. The answer is yes. So let us throw on the cheese. Uh-oh, it tried to run away. Let's move you over here. Maybe I should have picked up that cheese first. There we go. I'm hurrying, I'm trying. Don't rush me, this is a lot of cheese, man. And I have no idea what I'm doing. Actually, I think I do. It's just trying to get it all done. I'm using Texas toast because it makes the best grilled cheese, I think. But that's just my humble opinion. Okay, should we go with one or two. We should have stuck the cheese in between two slices of meat, but that's okay. Where were we? We were getting ready to flip our lid. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, that side could have used a little extra toasting. I've got my dome on because it's a wonderful wizard. No, that helps melt the cheese, helps things cook. And honestly, I've been using it a lot on my meats lately because it keeps it moist and it helps it cook faster. And it helps it cook inside. So, if you don't have a dome, get you a dome. I need a bigger dome, one of those big ones that covers half the griddle. But I'm not rich yet. I don't have all my sponsors yet. But I'm getting there, by gosh. And especially after I start selling griddle porn merchandise. Let's flip and make sure. Yeah. And see how evenly the ranch dressing cooks. Maybe I have it turned down too low. Maybe I'm just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe I should just stop reciting song lyrics and go back to cooking. What do you think? Is that, are we pretty much there? Oh, it's getting a good brown now. Normally I just do one flip, but what's normal about these times? It's 2020 and nothing is normal. Nothing. Between murder hornets and the apocalypse and all the other craziness, and there's plenty of it. Toilet paper shortages. At least we don't have a propane shortage. We don't have that cheese is melted. We don't have a cheese shortage, so life is good. Should have paused it. If I had the fancy editing software like all the famous YouTubers, I could fast forward through all that long, boring part of the dome on the griddle, but then you couldn't hear me talk, and that's why you're here, right? You want to hear me talk. That's why I'm here. I love the sound of my own voice. How about you, Baja? The official co-host, Baja, who's waiting for me to kick a tennis ball. So, that is our griddled ham and cheese with Black Forest smoked ham and sharp white cheddar cheese with bacon. Who could ask for more? So, thanks for watching, y'all. Come back again, and remember, our motto is, we screw up so you don't have to. Bye!